How to change formation on Fantasy Premier League. Guys, welcome to our channel and let's get started. So first, go ahead and open up your preferred web browser and type down Fantasy Premier League and open up the link. Once the site opens up, make sure to log into your account. So once you're logged in, tap on Pick Teams, and as you scroll down, this is the default formation. You'll be given 4 extra substitute. So my current formation is 4-4-2. So if I want to make it 3-4-3, then I'm gonna change Romero with Haaland. So you just need to tap on the jersey and click on switch. Again, tap on the jersey and click on switch. There you go. You can do the same thing with the rest of the positions. The positions of the players will be given just above their jersey, so you'll easily know what positions these players are playing. So that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.